welcome back to Vlogmas
Hi.
Day 24. Merry Christmas Eve to everyone. I hope y'all are having a great time. And I thought it would be perfectly appropriate on Christmas Eve to unbox the Jeffree Star Deluxe Mystery Box. Woo! So actually, I was not planning on buying one of these, but it was like 2:56 p.m. and he was launching them at 3 p.m. I was about to take an exam online, so I'm like, oh, let's just check Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And they already launched. He launched them early, so I decided, you know what, why not? Let's buy it. So let's unbox. We're gonna see what's in here, and my sister's gonna help me because I can't really carry heavy things. So my sister's gonna do the unboxing for me, but I'm gonna be commenting. And this is Savannah, by the way. She's my sister.
Hi. So here's the box.
I think it's so cute. It literally came in the mail like that.
Stockings.
Isn't that so cute?
I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics too, so this is gonna be fun for me.
The first thing I see is this sweatshirt. It's black with purple lettering. Jeffree Star Cosmetics 5-year anniversary. And on the sleeves, I actually love the sleeve. The purple stars. How cute is that? I cannot wait to rock it.
It looks like on the bottom at the back it says iconic.
I love it. I think it's cute, and I don't think it's like super flashy.
It feels so softy. This is gonna be so comfortable.
I actually like have never owned something like a merch item from Jeffree Star, but since he actually owns his own merch company, Killer Merch, I'm glad that I have this item now.
Also, a little foreshadowing in the wrapping paper. If anybody recognizes the popsicle, the Thirsty palette.
I was freaking out when I saw this in the first place.
Oh, the back of it looks like a pop. Well, I guess it looks like a popsicle.
Yeah, it's a popsicle. I was freaking out when I saw this palette because I have watched other unboxing videos of mystery boxes, and palettes don't come in mystery boxes. Like, these are like $50 a pop, and the deluxe mystery box was $100, so you're getting a lot for your value. Samantha, do you want to open it up and show them what it looks like? I'm sure you've already all seen what it looks like, but I am in love. I wanted the 30 palette, but it's not on the website anymore.
Here it is.
It's so pretty, guys. I love this palette so much. Ooh, my pants. I love this palette so much, and I cannot wait to use it because these are my colors. And the glitter row in the middle, I'm gonna be using that so much. You guys know I love my glitter. And then we got these stickers. I think these stickers,
those are so cool.
Yeah, these stickers came in all of the mystery boxes, I am pretty sure, and they are really cool. What's next? Oh, the next thing I got was a Jeffree Star reusable straw, which comes with a cleaner, and it looks like a candy cane, and I love it because I've always wanted one of his reusable straws, so I am so happy that it got included, and you best believe I'm gonna use this. I never thought I'd geek out so much about a reusable straw, but we love it. The next thing we have is a Supreme Frost in the shade Money Honey. And I have actually never ever tried a Supreme Frost. And that's actually what she's wearing right here. You can see it very clearly on camera. It looks gorgeous, and I cannot wait to wear it. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's super shiny and super magnificent. We love it so much, and we're not gonna swatch it because my sister is literally wearing it on her cheeks right now, and you can see it looks absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to wear it. There's so much more stuff in this mystery box, but I'm literally like loving everything so far. The next thing is the Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Pro palette. Now, if you know anything about Jeffree Star, you know that this is limited edition, and it was only in the deluxe mystery boxes. So only people that ordered the deluxe mystery boxes will ever get a chance to get their hands on it. So we're gonna show you what it looks like. I'm so excited.
Ooh, this is so cute.
So it looks like, ooh, it is cute. It looks like a candy cane.
It says Skin Frost Pro palette.
It smells like legit candy canes. It's so good. Now,
so first we have this really cute design up at the top here. Okay, and then there's the 3 colors. So it's gonna be from this side to that side. It's gonna be Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice.
Look at how gorgeous those are. They are,
and they smell so good.
I love this formula. I use the shade Sarcophagus every single day, and I have never gotten so many compliments on a highlighter in my entire life.
So here we have a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Clout,
and I think that one was actually from his holiday collection last year.
The cap is really sparkly. Oh, the whole bottle is really sparkly.
It's gorgeous. I loved its holiday packaging last year. It's in the shade Clout. It's just a really cool like purple grayish color.
Like a lavender, like a soft lavender.
Oh, I cannot wait to wear it. I actually think I look really good in purple. I think purple is my color.
Okay, and lastly,
there's one last thing. I don't know what it is.
Another velour liquid lipstick in the shade Huntington Beach.
And I think that's actually part of his permanent collection. Holy moly. It's an actual like teal like lipstick. Like it's like flat out teal. I don't know when I'm ever gonna wear it, like ever. Color. But these are actually eye safe, so I might do an eye look with this, and it is absolutely crazy. Okay. Anyway, so that was everything that was in the Deluxw mystery box. I'm very, 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 very happy. It's the first mystery box I've ever gotten, but based on what was in the box, I think I'll definitely be ordering more. Savannah, what do you think of what was in the mystery box?
It makes me want to get some of his merch because that sweatshirt looked really comfy.
It's really fuzzy down the inside.
Yeah.
So.
Also, I need this highlighter, so.
It looks so good on her. Anyways, I hope y'all are having an amazing Christmas Eve, and I will see you tomorrow on Christmas. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.